When it comes to upgrading your Pell City home, windows often don't get the attention they deserve. However, modern window designs can dramatically elevate the aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and overall comfort of your living space. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your existing property, the right windows can transform your home in ways you might not have imagined. The power of modern window design. Modern window designs are not just about letting light in. They're a key element of your home's style and functionality. Contemporary windows boast clean lines, minimalistic frames, and expansive glass that invites natural light while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. They blend seamlessly into any architectural style, from classic Southern charm to modern industrial chic, making them a versatile choice for Pell City homeowners. These windows are more than just visually appealing. Today's designs incorporate advanced technology to improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, and enhance security. The result? A more comfortable, quieter, and safer home, all while reducing your utility bills. Benefits of upgrading your windows: enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and nothing upgrades a home's curb appeal faster than stylish windows. Large picture windows, geometric shapes, or floor-to-ceiling glass panels create a modern and inviting facade. Even traditional homes can benefit from modern designs that balance old-world charm with contemporary sophistication. Increased natural light. Natural light not only makes your space look bigger and brighter but also improves your mood and productivity. Modern windows are designed to maximize the amount of sunlight entering your home. Features like slimmer frames and larger glass panes let the outdoors in, creating a vibrant and airy atmosphere. Improved energy efficiency. Modern window designs are engineered with energy efficiency in mind. Double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames work together to keep your home comfortable year-round. These features reduce heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter, helping you save on energy costs while maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Enhanced functionality and comfort. Many modern windows come with innovative features that enhance their usability. From easy-to-operate sliding mechanisms to tilt and turn designs for improved ventilation, these windows are built for convenience. Some even include smart features, such as remote control operation or sensors that adjust the tint of the glass based on the time of day. Boosted home value. Investing in new windows can significantly increase your home's resale value. Buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient, stylish, and low-maintenance features. By upgrading your windows, you're not just improving your living space, you're making a smart investment in your property's future. Popular modern window styles for Pell City homes: floor-to-ceiling windows. These dramatic windows create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, perfect for showcasing Pell City's scenic views. They're ideal for living rooms, dining areas, or any space where you want to make a bold statement. Sliding glass windows Sleek and space-saving, sliding windows are perfect for modern homes. They're easy to use and allow for maximum natural light and ventilation. This style is a great choice for rooms with limited wall space. Bay and bow windows. These classic designs get a modern twist with updated materials and finishes. They add depth and character to your home, creating cozy nooks for seating or display while letting in ample light. Casement windows. Hinged at the side and opening outward, casement windows are highly energy efficient and easy to operate. Their clean lines and functionality make them a favorite for contemporary designs. Custom geometric shapes. Modern windows are all about personalization. Uniquely shaped windows, such as hexagons, circles, or trapezoids, add visual interest and make your home stand out. Choosing the right partner for your window upgrade. Upgrading your windows is a significant investment, so it's crucial to work with a trusted professional who understands your vision and budget. Look for local experts in Pell City who offer high-quality products, excellent craftsmanship, and personalized service. A professional team can guide you through the entire process, from selecting the perfect window style to ensuring a flawless installation. Take the first step today. Transforming your Pell City home with modern window designs is easier than you think. Whether you're dreaming of panoramic views, energy savings, or a contemporary aesthetic, the right windows can make it a reality. Don't wait to elevate your home's style, comfort, and value. Start exploring your options today and experience the difference modern windows can make.